The secret to winning at life with minimum effort, Ayanokoji style 80-20ths rule. You ever notice how some people seem to achieve everything effortlessly, while others struggle, stuck in an endless loop of trying harder but getting nowhere? Society tells you to grind, to hustle, to work harder than everyone else. But, what if I told you that's a lie? There's a secret rule hidden in plain sight. A rule that Ayanokoji Kiyotaka, the master strategist himself, would never openly reveal, yet constantly exploits to dominate every situation with minimal effort. It's called the 80-20 principle. It's simple, 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. But, knowing this is one thing. Using it to control outcomes, outmaneuver opponents, and create an effortless advantage. That's an entirely different game. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step by step. With real-life examples. Step 1, identify the 20% that truly matters. Ayanokoji never wastes energy. In every situation, he asks, what is the one move that shifts everything? Imagine you're in school. Everyone studies for hours, grinding over every subject equally. But the smartest students? They find the 20% of concepts that determine 80% of the test questions. They focus only on mastering those, while everyone else drowns in unnecessary work. In real life, this applies to anything, learning a skill, building relationships, even making money. Find the high-impact moves. Ignore the noise. Step 2, eliminate the trivial 80%. Here's what no one tells you, most of what you do doesn't matter. Ayanokoji doesn't waste time. He doesn't engage in pointless arguments. He doesn't let emotions control his decisions. And he sure as hell doesn't chase low-value tasks that give no return. You're probably doing things every day that waste your energy, scrolling social media, talking to people who drain you, doing things out of obligation instead of strategy. Cut them out. Focus is a weapon. And distractions? They're the enemy. Step 3, use the 80-20 rule to control others. Here's where it gets interesting. What if you could not only apply this to yourself but use it to gain the upper hand over everyone else? Ayanokoji does this flawlessly. He observes. He analyzes. He finds the 20% of a person's desires, weaknesses, or fears that dictate 80% of their decisions. Example, imagine you're in a negotiation. The other person will argue over 100 details, but if you find the one thing they value the most, their emotional 20%, you can control the entire outcome. This is what separates the average from the elite. The ones who succeed, they don't work harder. They work smarter. Step 4, create an environment that works for you. Ayanokoji doesn't fight the environment, he designs it. The best way to ensure success is to structure your surroundings so that winning becomes inevitable. Want to focus? Remove distractions before they become temptations. Want to learn faster? Surround yourself with people already better than you. Want to win in any social setting? Control the flow of information. People fail because they rely on willpower. The ones who win, they set up the game so they can't lose. Most people are trapped in an endless cycle of wasting effort on things that don't matter. But now, you know the truth. Identify the critical 20%. Eliminate the useless 80%. Use the 80-20 principle to control outcomes. Shape your environment so success is effortless. Once you master this, everything changes. You'll do less and get more. You'll move with precision while everyone else runs in circles. And just like Ayanokoji, you'll always be 10 steps ahead. Now, here's your challenge. Comment below, what's one area of your life where you've been wasting time on the useless 80%? And how will you change that starting today? Also, if you want more psychological strategies to dominate life without breaking a sweat, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.